What are we doing today?
We're going to make slime today.
Making slime!
Alright, so
this
first
is our
things
first
first.
We got the essentials here. We got a bowl. You need a bowl, okay? We got the glue. We got a glue gun. We got borax. And
this is not a brand deal. None of these companies have paid us for this.
but if you want, we love making slime.
Alright, so
Okay, does anyone have instructions or should we just
wing it. Let's go.
Alright, let's do it. Okay, roll your sleeves up. First things first. Hello! Say hello! Oh, I found him! Okay, alright, Daddy's got it. Yeah. Oh, you do that. Okay, hold on, we're mixing it. I don't know, is that 4 ounces? Whoa! We do 1 drop of green. Looking good. You want to do a drop? Okay, we're gonna do 1 drop of some yellow. Yellow and green makes. Yeah, it's slime, baby.
Oh yeah.
What does yellow and blue make?
Green.
Yeah, I mean yellow and green. Blue, right? Yellow and blue. Yellow and green makes blue.
No.
What does yellow and green make?
They don't make a color.
Yellow and green make a color. Stay tuned to find out. It's okay, it's for the kids.
So how much?
Looks like they're making a green color. Oh, more? Okay, more.
Okay, don't touch
Oh,
it.
this is a pretty slime. Okay, put these ones away.
Keep this
Okay,
one
till
right
dissolved. Wait, babe, a half a teaspoon. Half of a teaspoon, yes. Pour all that back. Like a tiny bit. Okay, you guys see it? Do you see what's happening? Okay, ready? 1 drop. I think it might make a pretty purple.
It's borax, baby.
You want to spell the Yardboys?
It's a good idea.
The...
Okay. I can feel it. It's getting slimy.
Mix, Mom. It's mini slimy.
It's getting there.
Whoa. That's okay. That's pretty cool.
Might need more borax.
Need more borax?
Borax water, yeah.
I want borax.
Pretty pour a little on here. Hold the spoon. Water, and then we're gonna hold on. We're gonna have a little more borax. Ooh, that was a lot of borax. Mix it up.
So we got this recipe off Pinterest, but we are gonna perfect it and come back with a mega slime video. It's looking like a hunk of slime. Hey, don't touch it, mister. Mix with your hands for about a minute, maybe, until all the liquid is gone and it's pliable. Shit. I should probably get my hands in there. Okay. There, that's hot, Logan. Okay, put the spoon away, Bubba. Right here. Okay, watch what Mommy does, look. Ready?
Still on borax?
Yeah, put a little bit. Okay, Mommy's gonna knead it, okay? We're gonna pour a little bit of borax first. Pour a little bit. Okay, that's good.
Oh, that's good.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Oh, wow.
Feeling really slimy.
Whoa.
What do you think, Logan? Do you want to feel it?
Good.
So there's a lot of things you can do with slime. You can pick it apart and throw it in the bowl. Or you can press it down. Like
What
this.
is this?
You can make it fart. slime in there. Throw it in. Oh no.
Missed by just a hair.
So this is a pretty cool slime recipe. Stay tuned. Right now we're going to show you a foam recipe. So we're just going to do a bunch of shaving cream. Hunter, go ahead and squeeze it in there. Cool, looking good. This is going to make foam. Perfect. A little bit more. Really foamy. Some more contact solution. This one's cool. Shake it. Okay, maybe a little more. Nice.
Sorry.
Perfect. You want to add a color, Hunter?
No.
This one is probably my fave.
That's cool. Look, check it out.
You want to touch it, Hunter? So maybe more glue. It's still a little wet. I don't know how it's supposed to be. This is really fun, you guys. If you want to do some slime, I would suggest just buying some glue, some borax, and some shaving cream, contact solution. There's a bunch of different kinds of slime that you can make. It's really fun. If you have some kids that get easily wild up, this is a really good calmer. It's also a stress relief. And it's fun!
Let me try.
See? Don't you just want to get your hands on this? It's flubbery. There you go. This is a professional pizza dough maker here. That is so cool. Should we try to add a color? I don't think it'll work now. Whoa. So neat what science does. Okay, let's see if we can stick our fingers through it. You like it? Wonder why.
Alright, baby. Let's close the video out. Yeah.
Logan, you want to say thank you for watching, like, and subscribe?